Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you the results that we're getting for our credit repair clients because I'm a little bit sick of people commenting on our ads or replying to our messages that, hey, it's not possible. I don't believe that you can actually get people 70 leads a month and that you can guarantee that for credit repair businesses. So I'm just going to show you just one of our clients. As you can see here, this is for the past, let me check, for the past, I think. Yeah, for the past, I would say for the past 2 weeks, not even a full month working together. Yeah, for the past 2 weeks, we've been able to get 86 leads, and we'll literally go into Go High Level right now and see the appointments that she was able to get from those leads that you guys just saw right now. So you can see here, this is all appointments that she got. And if we check the calendar, we can literally see this next week. She's already fully booked for last week. And this week she already had 2 calls on Monday and one on Tuesday. And this is how it's been going for, this is literally the first day. And as you can see here, consistent amount of appointments on a daily basis. I don't know how many appointments in total. Let me check right now and see. Click here. Let's see. 38 appointments that she got on the first 2 weeks out of 86 leads. And you can just literally see the conversations right now. The automations that are going all day long. All day long, the automations that are going. She's getting checks every day that she got a new lead. As you can see here, this is just today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's really consistent. This is just today. This is the automations that are just going today. This is yesterday. And this is how it's been going for the first 2 weeks. And I always tell my clients, literally the first 2 weeks is going to be worse because Facebook is just learning, and it's just a time for the pixel to find the right audience and start to optimize your campaigns. And this is literally the result that she's getting on her worst period. I'm going to jump in and show you other clients right now. Let me see. So this is another client of ours. And as you can see here, last week he went on a vacation. He didn't work, so his calendar was all empty. But if you can see the week before that, and the week before that, and you can just keep going like this. Let me check the amount of leads that he got in total. It's around 281 for, I think, a month and a half.